Tonight, let's visit a quiet workshop in Kyoto, where colorful paper cords are tied into beautiful, unbreakable knots. Our first word means paper.
紙、紙。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
色鮮やかな紙を使います。
The artisan carefully folds the washi paper into thin strings, creating the traditional Mizuhiki cords. Our next word means thread or string.
糸、糸。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
細い糸を結びます。
With gentle hands, she weaves the red and white threads together, forming an elegant crane. Our next word means knot or connection.
結び、結び。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
美しい結びを作ります。
Once tied, a true Mizuhiki knot is nearly impossible to undo, symbolizing a bond that lasts forever. Our next word means heart or feeling.
心、心。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
心を込めて送ります。
The finished knot is placed on a gift, carrying the sender's warmest wishes across the miles. Our final word means gift.
贈り物、贈り物。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
大切な贈り物です。
Just like the tightly woven cords, may your dreams tonight be safe, warm, and peaceful. Good night.
おやすみなさい。